So Cambridge syllabus Cambridge IGCSE accounting 452. So let's discuss, dear friends. Let's discuss syllabus Cambridge accounting for to use the syllabus for exams in 2026. Exams are available in June and November series. Exams are also available in the March series in India. Okay, so specifically only in India March series are available. So the syllabus for this particular thing. So a lot of students might be having some question, some textbooks they have got it from their friends or some notes, or and they may be having a doubt whether the same syllabus is continuing or is there any difference or something like that. So you don't have to worry about. So 90% of the syllabus will be the same, and only a bit of around 5 to 10% if there, if at all, if there is any change. So you learn it now gradually when you're doing lessons in the class or when we're discussing over here. So you don't have to worry about that because accounting is almost the same some from couple of years. So normally the subject of accounting normally doesn't change unless otherwise there are some new standards that are coming up and there are some recent amendments if there are anything. So which is very rare and which is very less. So not so substantial when as compared to other subjects like law, taxation and all. So it is the same thing. So the books keep changing, but the content is almost same. Around 90% of the content is almost same. So the syllabus, you can see there may be small changes. So you need to be updated. So you cannot take it for granted, or you cannot just being lazy. So you can see here, what does it say? So the latest syllabus version published 2020 no significant changes with the book teaching. So any textbook endorsed to support the syllabus for examination from 2020 are still suitable for use with this syllabus. See, it's very important update. Okay. So new books come up. So teachers start teaching from there. Students also start learning from there. So this particular part is very very important. So just see, it is so highly so important as what we discuss here. See, so this is what this is not from anywhere. This is from this university. So Cambridge International. So we can just see. So important changes to the syllabus. For information about changes to the syllabus, go to page 27. The latest syllabus in the version 1 published at September 23, there are no significant changes with respect to teaching. Any textbook endorsed to support the syllabus for account for examination from 2020 are still suitable for the use with this syllabus. Okay, from 2020 the books are almost same. So this now it is 2025. So even if the books are before 2020, so there may be small changes. So you can simply just compare and contrast. So you will be learning the differential thing now. So don't have to worry about the syllabus. Almost the syllabus are almost same which the earlier versions of the books. So then, so what we'll be learning in overall. So content overview. So content overview, you can just see here. So content overview in IGCSE accounting, the fundamentals of accounting, subject the difference between accounting and bookkeeping, sources of recording of data, the various documents that you are maintaining in business. So then verification of accounting records, accounting procedures, preparation of financial statements, analysis, interpretation, accounting principles and policies. So all these things you'll be learning. So let us see in detail. So the fundamentals of accounting, the purpose of accounting, explain difference between bookkeeping and accounting measures, explain the purpose of preparing business profit and loss. So accounting equation, meaning of asset liabilities, owner's equity, explain and apply the accounting equation. So we'll be discussing and working out problems using this. Okay, so the double entry system of bookkeeping. What does it mean by double entry? What is debit and credit? Why So outline the double entry system of bookkeeping. So prepare ledger accounts, transactions to ledger accounts, balance ledger accounts, interpret ledger accounts, and balances. So division of ledger into sales ledger, division of ledgers also with that. So then sources and recording of data. So business documents. So then business documents. What are the various business documents we use like invoice, credit note, check, quarter file, paying slip, receipt, bank statement, books of prime entry. So what are the books of prime entry? What do you mean by understand the advantage of using books of prime entry? So what do you mean by so why I explain the use and process of accounting data in the books of prime entry, cash book, petty cash book, sales, purchase journal, sales return journal, purchase return journal, ledger. Post the ledger entries from the books of prime entry. Distinguish between the account and trade account and cash discounts. Explain the difference from cash book and book of prime entry and the ledger. So then this one. Explain the use of and record payment and receipts made by bank transfers or electronic means. Explain and apply the interest system of petty cash. Verification of accounting record, the trial balance, understanding that the trial balance is statement of so what is trial balance, all that how to prepare. So identify explain the errors we know how to fill the trial balance, list which affects the trial balance. So then correction of errors, how to rectify if there are any errors, correct errors that means of genuine entries, use of suspense account as temporary measure. So just profit or loss for an accounting period after the correction of errors, understanding the effect of correction of errors. So then verification of accounting records continue, bank reconciliation, understand the use and purpose of bank statements, update the this one cash book of bank charges, bank interest paid into the receipt correct errors, bank reconciliation. So understand the purpose and prepare the bank reconciliation statement to include bank errors, all those things. So then control accounts, understand the purpose of purchase ledger and sales ledger from accounts, identify books of primary assets, source of information, prepare purchase ledger and sales ledger, control accounts, prepare purchase, credit sales, so all these things, and also debit and credit within each account. Accounting procedures, capital and revenue expenditure and receipts. Distinguish between capital and account for capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Distinguish between account for capital receipts, revenue receipts. So significance of all these things. Calculate and comment on effect on profit and incorrect treatment. So calculate, comment on the effect of asset valuation on incorrect treatment. Accounting for depreciation of disposal on non-current assets. Define depreciation. Accounting procedures continued. Other payables and receivables recognize the importance of matching costs of revenues, prepare revenue, ledger accounts and inventories to record accrued and prepaid expenses. So, prepare ledger accounts and inventories to record accrued and prepaid expenses, incomes and expenses. So, ethical debts and provision for doubtful debts. Understand the meaning of ethical debts and recovery bad debts. So, how to treat, how to record, prepare ledger accounts and inventories to record provision of adjustment to provision for doubtful debts. Valuation of inventory. So valuation of inventory, like understand the basis of valuation of inventory, floor of format, present value, simple valuation techniques. So how to what is the importance of valuation of inventory and effect of incorrect valuation of inventory on profit and loss, and statement of financial position, preparation of financial statements, sole traders. So preparation of financial statements of sole traders, partnership forms. So then preparation of financial statements of partnership forms. So it's known as partnership forms. So preparation of financial statements of limited companies. So all these things we'll be learning in detail. Clubs and societies. How to prepare financial statements of clubs and societies. Preparation of financial statements of manufacturing accounts, incomplete records, analysis and preparation of accounting ratios, gross profit, profit margin, return on capital employed, current ratio, liquid ratio, all these things will be learning. So then analysis and preparation continued. So various ratios like inventory valuation of inventory, intercompany comparison, understand the problems of intercompany comparison, apply accounting ratios to inform comparison. So interested parties, for the interested parties, owners, managers. So various ratios that we use, limitations of accounting statements. So then Accounting principles and policies. What are the various accounting principles and policies will be then matching variance and consistency, duality, variance, and historical materiality, measurement, prudence, realization. So all these things will be accounting policies, comparative reliance, reliable information, understandability. So the ratios, you'll be learning very important